front of me is Nubia RedMagic 11A, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting an app you wanna use in this view on the top half of your screen. Let's go with Chrome. Now launch it in the background like that, and click on this icon at the top right corner of the rectangles. Then scroll to pick a second app you wanna use. Let's go with File Manager, and enjoy using both at once. If you wish to go back from this view, you can either go back into the background and swipe your split screen like you would any other app. You can hold this line in the middle and drag it all the way up or all the way down, then close the remaining app using Home button. Or what most people miss, you can actually click on those three dots in the middle of your apps. Then get access to all of those options, including X button. That will close the lower app. But you can also use all of those options. This one with 4 squares will let you change the lower app. This one with 2 arrows will switch your apps. And my favorite one, this plus. If you often use 2 apps in the split screen configuration, you can tap on plus icon, choose continue in the pop-up, and then close split screen. This way your phone will create this shortcut, and when you click on it, chosen apps will open in split screen view instantly. If you will ever want to delete the shortcut, you can do that like you would any other app. Just hold it, hit remove, and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!